In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write exponents in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to calculate powers like squares and cubes directly in your spreadsheet, quickly and accurately. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to use, open it now. Otherwise, start a new blank sheet so you can follow along without changing existing data. Now, let's focus on using exponents for calculations. In Google Sheets, you write exponents with the caret symbol, which looks like a little roof. EAT. On most keyboards, you can type it with Shift plus the number 6. Remember, every formula in Sheets starts with an equals sign, so don't skip that. The basic syntax is simple. Equals number exponent. Let's do a quick example together. Click an empty cell, type equal 5 equals 2, and press Enter. You should see the result 25. That's because 5 squared is 25. You can replace the numbers with cell references too. For instance, if A2 has the base and B2 has the exponent, typing equals A2 equals B2 will calculate that power. This is great when your inputs might change and you want the result to update automatically. Also, you can use parentheses to keep your math clear, especially in longer formulas, and the exponent operator follows standard order of operations. If you prefer a function format, Google Sheets also provides an alternative, the power function. It works like this. Power base, exponent. In a blank cell, type power 5002 and press Enter. You'll get the same result, 25. Power is especially handy when you're building more complex formulas, or when you want your intent to be extra readable for teammates reviewing your sheet. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If your formula shows up as text instead of calculating, make sure the cell is formatted as automatic or number, not plain text. If you see an error, double-check that you included the initial equals sign and that there are no stray spaces. And if your exponents involve values pulled from other cells, confirm those cells contain numbers, not text with extra characters. That's it. You've opened Google Sheets, accessed your document, and learned 2 reliable ways to write exponents, using the caret operator and the power function. Try both methods and use the one that fits your workflow best.